Welcome back to the channel. Hope y'all having another good day. So as you can see, no more camper shell. That's right, I went ahead and sold it last night off the Facebook Marketplace. So now we're back to the OG style mega slab. Okay, so for all my OG subscribers, y'all remember when I first had the Cummins, it was like this. I didn't have a camper shell till like last year, April or something. So no more camper shell. I know a lot of y'all probably are happy because y'all wanted me to take it off, and some of y'all really loved it. But once again, it's time to switch it up, change it up. We're gonna be going a new route, so yeah. And if you watched the last video to the end, you would have known I was gonna sell it. So make sure you check out the end of the videos, because a lot of times I'll be dropping stuff at the end of the videos that y'all might miss out on or might not catch on to. Next thing is gonna be, if you like this video, go ahead and smash that thumbs up, because it helps the channel out so much in terms of growing. You guys always tear up the comment section saying how my videos are awesome. The more likes we get on the videos, the more YouTube will push videos out there to where new people can see it and come to the channel. You know, there's a lot of people out there who have trucks like ours, not even a Cummins, Powerstroke, Duramax, or even just a truck, period. And this channel can help them out in more ways than possible. So I really appreciate it. You guys are awesome. Wouldn't trade y'all for nobody in the world when it comes to subscribers and loyal fans, all right? So today's video topic is gonna be, is a ceramic coat worth it? Okay, I get asked a ton of questions like, yo Cam, your truck, man, it's so clean, like you do such a good job washing it. If you guys follow my Instagram, and if you don't, make sure you follow it. It's going to be at everything_diesel. I always put videos up of me washing my truck, detailing it, or detailing somebody else's vehicle. Like earlier this week, I detailed a red 4th gen quad cab. Beautiful truck. When I was done with it, obviously came out amazing. But I always get asked that stuff like, yo Cam, how do you keep it up? My truck's ceramic coated. I got a video when I ceramic coated the truck last August, I believe. But yeah, I ceramic coated it, came out phenomenal, still holding up good, okay? Now, today's video topic, is a ceramic coating worth it? I'm gonna give you the answer right now. It's 100% worth it. And it's not as hard as you think it is. So I highly encourage you to check out my video. I'll put a card up here in the corner somewhere so you can see how easy it is. You just need like a whole day. No rain, good weather, preferably 60, 55 degrees or warmer. So maybe this spring for my northern people, spring, summer will be a perfect time. And if you live up north where it's salty, nasty, they put that sulfur and all that sodium bicarbonate, so whatever that stuff's called, man, I don't know, that junk they put on the roads, you definitely need your vehicle ceramic coated. That's going to save your paint so much longer. Washing is going to be 10 times easier, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the Cummins. I know y'all already seen in the intro how dirty she is. Now this is just one day. She was clean yesterday. It rained, obviously, and I went hunting this morning, duck hunting, got back, and this is what she looks like now. Super filthy, disgusting. You know, she's gonna need a good washing again, but I ain't gonna wash her no time soon because it's coated, okay? So when you're looking at this truck, you're like, fuck man, this is gonna be a bitch to wash. No, it's not, just because it's ceramic coated. So I got my pressure washer hooked up. Now if you're asking, well, or if you're gonna say, well, you're using a pressure washer, so I mean rinsing it would be easier. Not necessarily, you know what I'm saying? Reason being is because what I want you to do is I want you to take note at how the paint looks, or how the paint is hydrophobic after rinsing the paint, okay? Now check this out. right, so just that quick. Now this is the hood. Hood is constantly clean. Look at those beads. Didn't put nothing on it. It's ceramic coated. It's been that. The fender, same thing with the fender. If you look at the fender, it's beating up crazy. Okay, that's because it's ceramic coated. All right, you come over here to the door where it's the worst. It starts off, make sure y'all seeing this. It starts off beating clean, and now where the mud was at, it's because that is flat. Reason being is because there's still a layer of dirt on the paint. So if I was to wash this paint with some soap and then rinse it, it would look like this all down here. And then just that easy, wiping my finger on the paint, super simple. It like washing my truck used to be a 4-hour event because I'm like particular, but now it takes me like maybe like an hour to wash it and dry it and, you know, dress it up and stuff. 100% worth it. Okay, now when it comes to ceramic coating, it's not complicated, you guys. It's like applying a wax, paint sealant, detail spray. Okay, you get an applicator, you apply some dots to the applicator, you put it on. You only do one panel at a time, so you do one door at a time, one fender, you know, cut the hood in half, do half the hood first, wait, wipe off, do the next hood. Super simple. It's not a hard, complicated process. It just takes time, and that's where ceramic coating gets expensive, because of the prep work and labor required in order to get the paint prepped and prepared to have the coating adhere to it. Okay, you can't just wash your truck, apply the coating, and expect it to, you know, work. It don't work like that. Okay. Another thing too, when it comes to that, is maintenance. All right, you have to maintain the coating. Okay, so what that means is you need to be using some sort of soap with pH neutral, with some sort of SOIO2 protection in it, because what that's going to do is the silica in the soap is going to rejuvenate / extend the life of the but the lifespan of the coating. Okay, in conjunction using a ceramic detailer of some sort. You guys know me, shit, in the garage I got freaking a damn armory box. Okay, I'm back. So products I use. So once I wash my truck and it's all clean, I'll wash it, dry it, and then I'll apply some sort of ceramic detailer to it. Okay, so Jax Wax right here, I use Jax Wax ceramic detailer. It's super good. Really, it leaves it with a wet wax feeling. I mean, you touch it and it's just slippery. Adams Polishes Ceramic Boost is another good one. Thing about this one is you don't want to use it every time you wash the truck. They say you only want to use it about every, I think, month and a half, something like that. We got also ceramic paste wax. All right, this is from Adams Polishes. I'm not sponsored by none of these companies. All of these I buy on my own with my own money. I just get it when it's on sale. So like for instance, they don't even make this no more. When they made it, it was $100. They have it on clearance right now, $29.99. This they still make, and Jax Wax makes that. Soap, now I got tons of soap, but right now what I'm using is Jax Wax Shields shampoo, which is it's a shampoo specifically designed for coated vehicles. You can use it on any vehicle. All this stuff here you can use on any vehicle. If you use it on a vehicle not ceramic coated, it's just not going to last as long or be as effective. If you use it on the coated vehicle, money. Okay, so this right here is good stuff, super slick. I tested this out in one spot, really love it, and then I use those after I finish washing the truck. So you got to maintain the truck, you know what I'm saying? You can't just coat it and expect it to hold up forever. I mean, that's just not how it works. But if you had to ask me, is it worth it? Would you recommend? Damn, motherfucker blowing my phones up and shit. Had to put my shit on mute, my bad. So if you ask me like, hey man, is it worth it? Would you recommend it? I'm gonna tell you every single time, yes, it is. Damn it, I didn't get it. I was trying to catch it. There we go. I'm about to rinse the truck. So yes, so you guys are like, dude, what the hell's going on? So yeah, so I 100% recommend a ceramic coating. I'm probably actually going to be reapplying an additional topper layer on it. It's been about 6 months just to kind of extend it, but it's been holding up real good. So man, it's weird looking at the truck right now. Like that back window, I know it looks tinted, but it's not even tinted, or it's like factory tint. So like when I'm sitting in there, my side windows are super dark, and then yeah, like look, you can see through it right there. So I'm gonna be getting the back window tinted, probably do like 5% or 15, depending on what film they got. Yeah, I know I got junk in the bed, but whatever. Oh, that's another thing. So my OGGG fans, y'all know when I Raptor lined my bed, like back in 2018, like beginning of 18, I Raptor lined the bed. It looked amazing. Over time, 2 years later, it's still holding up good by all means. Actually, I don't even need to drop it, but I'll put this bed through some work. So we're gonna end up re-Raptor lining the bed, and then I'm thinking all here where it's black, when you get Raptor liner, you can get it color match. So I'm thinking about getting white to go with the paint for the side rails. I'm gonna do white to go with the paint for the body. The reason being is because hopefully, if everything works out right, the tonneau cover we should be getting in is gonna be color match white with the truck, and it's gonna look sick. So we definitely got a lot of stuff going on right now. Tail lights, everybody loves them. Bumper looks good. It's dirty. Just put this bitch on and it's already dirty, looking like it's going through work. Bumper's doing good, man. So we got a lot of stuff going on, man. You guys, I appreciate the feedback in yesterday's video when we put the bumper back on. I really appreciate it. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this down, and then we're gonna wrap this video up just like that. I ain't even wash her, but she looks 20 times better than she did a second ago. Just like that, man. She's all good. Rinse her down with the pressure washer. Got her looking clean. I mean, she dirty, but you can, you know, unless you're staring at it hard from a distance, it all looks good in the neighborhood. So, man, it looks so different with the shell off, man. And it got more power. I swear, like, it's not even like I actually spun out accidentally pulling out of a gas station last night. Wasn't even trying to, but man, she looked fresh. What y'all think? All right, you guys, so like I said, we're gonna go ahead and end this video out. Let me know your opinion. Would you try ceramic coating? Do you still have questions about it? If you have any questions about it, feel free to comment down below. I would love to hear your opinion. Any questions involving your paint and all that stuff like that, I'm more than happy to help. Now, by no means am I a body man. I don't do body work, paint, and all that, unless it's like the bumper. But when it comes to detailing, any questions like that about taking care of your paint, I got you. I'll take care of you. You guys know I try to respond to all of you guys if possible. Sometimes it's not, so yeah. But if you enjoyed this video, once again, smash thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Make sure you check out the previous videos, especially the one where we recently installed the bumper and color match, or not color match, custom painted the tail lights. If you haven't, if this is your first time checking out the channel, smash the subscribe button, join the family. Make sure all you guys got that bell notification tap. And until next time, comment down below, tell me what y'all want to see next, and see y'all next time.